to the Supreme Court that has agreed to hear the appeal of the state challenging the Bombay High Court order to declare Mhadei Wildlife Sanctuary as the tiger reserve within 3 months. Now, the top court bench headed by CJI Chandrachud has sent notices to the Centre and the National Tiger Conservation Authority seeking responses over the issue. The good Goa government has been opposing the tiger reserve tag, citing conflicting interests between forest dwellers and the conservationists. Remember now, earlier, the Bombay High Court had delivered the judgment on a plea which was filed by the NGO Goa Foundation, which sought the direction to the state government to notify tiger reserves of the state. Now, Mhadei is a crucial tiger-bearing area, and Goa has an estimated 5 tigers according to the latest tiger census notified in 1999. The Mhadei Wildlife Sanctuary is spread over 208.5 square kilometers in North Goa's Sattari Taluka. My colleague Harish is joining me on the phone line to get us more details. Well, Harish, what can we expect today as far as the court is concerned? Because the demand for Mhadei to be declared a tiger reserve is only growing by the day.
Right, Supreme Court has agreed to hear the appeal filed by Goa government challenging the Bombay High Court order. The High Court had asked state to notify Mhadei Wildlife Sanctuary and its surrounding areas as a tiger reserve within 3 months. The bench led by Chief Justice of India, Mhadei Wildlife has sought responses from the National Tiger Conservation Authority and the Centre on the petition after admitting the petition for hearing. What is interesting is that senior advocate Mukul Rawatji, who had appeared for Goa government, argued that there ought to be a proposal from the state government first to the NTCA and centre, and only after that can the NTCA recommend to the state government to declare the area as tiger reserve. But then Chief Justice Mhadei Chandrachud shot back. He then verbally remarked that if the proposal, if the rule is that the proposal from it should come from the state government, and that should be the first step, then no state government would ever make a recommendation to declare a tiger reserve. Now, in fact, the High Court had delivered the judgment on the plea filed by, as you rightly said, NGO Goa Foundation, which sought direction to the state government to notify tiger reserves of the state as requested by NTCA. The High Court judgment even quoted the Mahabharata and said in the verdict that if there is no forest, then the tiger gets killed. If there is no tiger, then the forest gets destroyed. Hence, the tiger protects the forest and forest guards the tiger. The High Court had directed the state government to take necessary steps to prepare a tiger conservation plan as contemplated by Wildlife Protection Act and to forward the same to the NTCA within 3 months for notifying. So as of now, the biggest takeaway is that Supreme Court has agreed to hear Goa government's plea against the HC verdict and has sought the view of the NTCA, that is the National Tiger Conservation Authority, and the centre. Back to you.
Absolutely, Harish. Thank you for getting us all those details. We shall leave it at that for the moment.